If you work in IT, then there's no doubt that you're going to come across CSVs and JSON files. And you're probably going to run into a scenario where you're going to need to convert between one or the other. And PowerShell offers a awesome tool right within the command line that you can use to switch between CSVs and JSON. And I'm going to show you how you can quickly do that. So we're going to start with a command called import CSV. And this is going to take a CSV file and turn it into a PowerShell object. So then you're going to want to pipe this into a command converts to JSON. So you have your CSV file and it gets converted to a PowerShell object, and then you pipe that into convert to JSON to turn it into a JSON object, and then you would pipe that into out file to actually turn that into a file. And path is a positional parameter, so you don't have to specify it, but we will here. And then we'll take this and turn that into a JSON file. So we open this up, and there's our JSON file converted from a CSV file. So now, what if we wanted to go the other way? What if we have a JSON and we want to turn that into a CSV file? So we'd start over, and we would take the command get content, and we specify our path, grab our JSON file, pipe that into convert from JSON, and then we pipe this into export CSV. You open that up, and there is your original CSV, although it was converted from this to JSON, and then we used PowerShell to convert from JSON back to CSV. So those are two ways, simple ways that you can start with a file and pipe it all the way through to JSON or CSV. If you like this video, be sure to check out my full web series on PowerShell, where you start at the very beginning and we're going to go all the way through mastery. Check that out in the link above, and thanks for watching. Have a good day.